Hi friends, I am starting a chapter called Polynomials. First we should know that what is the meaning of polynomial. So polynomial is an expression which consists of two or more terms is called a polynomial. So what is polynomial? Polynomial is an expression which consists of two or more terms is called polynomial. So in that, let us take some examples for what polynomial. First one, 3x to the power of 5 plus 4x cube plus 5x and 3x square plus x plus 5 and x plus 3. So these are the three examples for polynomial I have taken. First one, 3x to the power of 5 plus 4x square plus 5x. Here, what are the terms of the polynomial? This is consists of three terms here. The terms are 3x to the power of 5 and 4x cube and 5x. And second expression you take. Second expression consists of three terms. The three terms are 3x square, x and 5. And third expression is x plus 3. It consists of x and 3. So these are the what terms of the polynomial, we can say that. Now let us come to know under what condition given expressions are polynomial. First one, example 3x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 5x and 3x to the power of 0.5 plus 1 and 1 by root x plus 5. These are the three expressions. These expressions are polynomial. Is the given expressions are polynomial? We have to check. First one, 3x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 5x. So is the given expression is an polynomial? We have to check. Here highest power means that power of the x is 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2 is a fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. Therefore, this given expression is not a polynomial. If you say that it is a polynomial, it should contain non-negative number. Non-negative number or should not be a fraction, should not be a fraction or decimal. So if you want to tell the given expression is a polynomial, it should contain non-negative number or it should not be a fraction or decimal. Here 3x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 5x is not a polynomial. The reason is why it is not a polynomial, because here power of the x is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is a fraction. Therefore it is not a polynomial. So it should write here it is not a polynomial. And second expression is nothing but 3x to the power of 0.5 plus 1. Is the given expression is a polynomial? Let us check that. What is the power of the x here? Power of the x is here is 0.5. Power of the x is 0.5. So can you tell me, children, what is 0.5 is? 0.5 is a decimal. So decimal should not be, if it is a polynomial, it should not contain a decimal also. Therefore, if it is 3x to the power of 0.5 plus 1 is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. And let us take two more examples for that, whether to check it is a given expression is a polynomial or not. Let us consider an example, x to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 5. X to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 5. Here power of the x is minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2, all of you know that what is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction, all of you know that. But minus 1 by 2, it is a negative fraction. If it is the powers of the exponents consist of the negative fractions or negative numbers, it should not be a polynomial. It means it is not a polynomial. Therefore, it is also not a polynomial. Means these are all relating to that. We have to check whether given expression is a polynomial or not. If you want to tell that given expression is a polynomial, that power should not contain a negative fractions or decimal or any other thing which is root, square root. It should not contain the square root also. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Therefore, these are all relating to that now. Under what condition given expression is not a polynomial, we can say that. So next concept, we'll move on to that. What is the degree of the polynomial? So degree of the polynomial. So what is the meaning of degree of the polynomial? The highest power in the given expression, is called as the degree. The highest power in the given expression is called a degree of the polynomial. So let us move on to that. What is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power in the given expression is called a degree of the polynomial. So let us see how to find the degree of the polynomial. First one, we can say that here 3x plus 5 and 5x square plus 5 and 3x cube plus 5x square plus 5. These are the three expressions they have given. We have to find what is the degree in each case. First one, let us talk about the first example here, 3x plus 5. In 3x plus 5, what is the degree? So here only one variable is there here, x. Here nothing is there, highest power is 1. Highest power is 1. Therefore, here degree is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. In the same way, 5x square plus 2. What is the highest degree? You see here, highest degree is 2. So therefore, here degree is equal to 2. And in the same way, 3x to the power of 3 plus 5x square plus 5, highest degree is what? 3. Therefore, here degree is what? 3. Highest power is 3 here. Therefore, degree is what? 3. So, according to these three examples, degrees are respectively 1, 2 and 3. These are the degrees of the polynomial. So let us now move on to that now. After the degree of the polynomial and how to find the degree, we will move on to that. What are the types of the polynomials we have to study, and under what condition, what are those types we have to talk about. So next one, types of the polynomial. There are many types of the polynomials are there? Usually in class 10 we have to study the 4 types of the polynomial. First one is linear polynomial, and second one quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial. So types of polynomials, we talk about that. There are the 4 types of polynomials. Still many are there, but class 10 we have to study only these 4 types. First one linear polynomial, second one quadratic polynomial, third one cubic polynomial, fourth one biquadratic polynomial. So let us know that what is the meaning of linear polynomial. Linear is nothing but a polynomial which consists of highest degree is 1. Example 3x plus 5, 4y plus 1. These are all called as linear polynomial. Linear means highest degree is 1. Here highest degree is 1. Then it is called linear polynomial. 3x plus 5, 4y plus 1. In both the expressions highest degree is what? 1. Then it is called as a linear polynomial. If you want to tell quadratic polynomial is a polynomial in this highest degree is what? 2. It means that 3x square plus 5x, 3x square plus 5x and 5y square plus 8y minus 1. What is the highest power in these 2 expressions? So highest power is here 2. If the any expression in which highest power is 2, then it is called as a quadratic polynomial. It means here highest degree is 2. So highest degree is 2, then it is called as a quadratic polynomial. If it is linear polynomial, in that highest degree is 1. If it is quadratic polynomial, in which highest degree is what? 2. Let us move on to the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is a polynomial in which it consists of highest degree is 3. Example here 4y cube plus 1 and 8y cube minus y plus 1. These are the 2 expressions we have taken. In that highest degree, you see that what is the highest degree? Highest degree is here is what? 3. Here also highest degree is what? 3. Therefore this type of expression in which highest degree is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. You see the expressions, here highest degree is 3, here highest degree is what? 3, then it is called as a cubic polynomial. Let us move on to the last one here, biquadratic polynomial. So what is the meaning of biquadratic polynomial? Biquadratic polynomial is a polynomial which consists of power is 4 here. Then this is the one example I have given, 8x to the power of 4 plus 5x plus 1 and 3x square minus 5y plus 1 plus x to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4 plus 1. So these are the 3 expressions I am giving here, biquadratic polynomial. But here you just observe the first expression here, 8x to the power of 4 plus 5x plus 1. In this highest power is what? 4. Then it is called as a biquadratic polynomial. If you observe the second expression here, this is the equation polynomial for the 2 variables they are given, but still highest variable is here 4. You have to arrange in the ascending order here. So highest power is 4, then it is also a biquadratic polynomial. and x to the power of 4 plus 1 if you take, in this highest power is 4, then it is called as a biquadratic polynomial. So these are the types of polynomial we have to talk about. That linear, highest degree is 1, quadratic, highest degree is 2, cubic, highest degree is 3, and biquadratic, highest degree is 4. Highest degree is 4. So these are the types of the polynomial, we have to study that. So next we'll move on to the next concept, zeros of the polynomial. So let us start with the geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. So before we start geometrical meaning, you should know that what is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial. So what is the geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial? In that we have to talk about first what is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial. So let us take an example of p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. Let us take some values for x. Let us take x is equal to minus 1. If you take x is equal to minus 1, substitute the value of minus 1 in the given expression, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. So p of, so wherever x is there, you substitute the value of 1. So minus 1, so a p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 4. Here, now next step we have to know what is the square of minus 1 whole square. See, minus is multiplied by 2 times. See, minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus is nothing but plus 1 ones are 1. So this is the one way we can multiply minus 1 into minus 1, we can write plus 1. In the other round we can say that any negative number, if it is having even power, it is always positive. It means that negative number raised by even number, means that negative number raised by the even number, means any negative number is raised by the even number is always what? Positive. In case if you are not able to apply this, just multiply here minus 1 whole square minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So here answer is what? Here is 1. Again here minus into minus will get plus 3 into 1 3, or 3 ones are 3. You have to multiply here, 3 ones are 3 plus 4 plus 4. It means here is a polynomial. It means what are the zeros we are talking about, that here is. So here we'll get the answer. Here is 8. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. So p of minus 1 is an 8. Then is the 8 is the zeros of the polynomial? We have to see that. So if it is 8 is the zeros, then what is the answer? We can say that 8 is the zeros of the polynomial. It means that if you want to say it is the zeros of the polynomial, so what is the 8? You can call it as 8 is called as the remainder. 8 is called as the what? Remainder. We can say that. So this is the one of the problem we are talking about. Here is remainder is 8. Therefore here we are not getting any zeros. So let us consider the same equation now. Let us take p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. So let us take x is equal to 4 now. x is equal to 4. Now you substitute wherever x is there, substitute 4. P of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 3 into 4 plus 4. See, P of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 3 into 4 plus 4. What is the square of 4? So 4 whole square is nothing but 4 is multiplied by 2 times. It means 4 square is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So here you will write the answer here is 16. Here minus 3 into 12, again 12 will get, again plus what, 4 we can say that here. Here actually answer is what you will get, 16 plus 4, 20 minus 12. So answer is what now, 8. This is P of 4 is equal to what now, 8. Means that here also remainder is getting what, 8. So but if the remainder is equal to 0, then the given values are the polynomial. It means that here both the cases remainder is what, here is 8, here also remainder is 8, then these two values are not the zeros of the polynomial, not the zeros of the what, polynomial, we can say that. Let us take one more example to find whether what actually under what conditions we'll get the, it will get the remainder is 0, we'll find out. So let us take one more example. P of x is nothing but polynomial in of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So let us take x is equal to minus 1, substitute wherever x is there, you have to substitute the value minus 1. So P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square, then minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Then what is the value of minus 1 square? So minus 1 into minus 1. So what will get, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So here you will get 1. Here minus into minus, again you will get positive sign, plus 3 ones are 3, again minus 4. So 3 plus 1 you will get 4, 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So P of minus 1 is equal to 0. Any expression if the remainder is 0, if any expression if the remainder is 0, the given value will be the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros is nothing but solution or value of the polynomial, we can say that. It means that here P of minus 1 is equal to 0 we got. Like that in any expression, if the 0 is the answer, so given value will be the zeros of the polynomial. Here or we can say that solution of the polynomial, we can say that. So now we will move on to the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. It means that how to express, how to find the values for the given polynomial by using the graph, we can say that. By using the graph we can find the zeros of the polynomial only when the graph intersects the x-axis only, x-axis only, then it is the values which we can find on the x-axis either on the left side or right side, or positive value or negative value, that will be the zeros of the given graph. So let us move on to the geometrical meaning by using the graph sheet. So now let us start to find the number of zeros in the given graph. See here the graph, this graph intersects at x-axis at points. Find the number of points 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If a number of points, number of values this graph intersects on the x-axis is 5. Therefore, number of zeros of the given graph is 5. So let us take some more example to find the number of zeros in the given two graphs. The given first graph, this is U-shaped curve This is called as parabola. So this is U-shaped curve is called parabola. This parabola cuts x or x dash or x-axis at 2 points. So therefore number of zeros of the given graph is 2. So next one, let us start with one more example. Here in this graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 values, so number of zeros of the given this graph is 3.